Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where the laptop Wi-Fi works but only if right next to the router, then here's what you have to do. First of all, isolate the case whether it is with the router or the laptop itself. Because if it is with the router, it would impact other devices. So try connecting your phone to the router and take it far away. And then on your phone, not on your computer, open fast.com, okay? And check the internet speed. Is it good enough or has it reduced substantially? If it is good enough, then proceed to the next step. The next step is that you have isolated that the issue is with your computer. So in this case, you will have to update the network drivers before anything else. Search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. Now expand the list for network drivers, network adapter drivers. Right click on it and select update driver and search automatically for drivers. Right. So if updating has not helped, then here's what you have to do. You will have to buy a new Wi-Fi adapter. Okay, so go to amazon.com or any other website. You can go to Best Buy or any other website, but basically you have to buy it and then search for wireless adapter. Okay, and then you can purchase any one of these, the ones which look like a USB dongle with a small what do we say, small head behind that. So you can use these ones. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.